Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Warren County, northwestern Halifax County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Warrenton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roanoke Rapids, Warrenton, Norlina, Littleton, Macon, Arcola, Maddox Mountain State Park, Early, Rosemary, and Roanoke Rapids Lake. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Raleigh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Halifax, and Warren.